Good morning to my people for Obodo, Nigeria, and Obodo, the world at large. Meanwhile, well, my own name is Papa Jojo, and I want to say now top start type channel 195. Now you know the watch us. My people for their way they there this morning, where you know say yes, you to say one really catch up the way they carry the thing go. But meanwhile, well, before I know say I'm going to tell you about what you get for that this morning. I just want to let you know say not be the only person where they do this section this morning. I get guest where they join body with me. Where it may be Yusuf. So I see they follow the count, go straight away. They go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You wait there out there where they watch us the way we they go straight away.
3.
Not forget saying I step on the aerobic workout now we they take this morning.
7,
and meanwhile when you go see what today my leg side the way we they go.
3,
as we they go straight away,
5,
you feel they look and say how you take get this one
7,
to meet up with
8,
us. Just go close to any staircase
3,
where you know say
4,
it get little height
5,
above the normal ground level.
7,
They make it they do it. They follow us go
2,
the way we they go.
3,
4, 5, 6, continue 7. My people for Obodo, Nigeria, and Obodo, the world where they watch us the way they go.
4,
You go see it the way my guests click the left foot for top the step board according to what your man they call them. And if you look the ties the way they go, you go look say it bring out one shape from the edge part of the knee to show say the knee muscular point it did develop and it's on the day energized much. And if you look in back leg, the way it click, everything they firm and tight the way they go. And not saying that the whole foot take ground. Because if the whole foot take ground, you know go feel the impact on top the calf muscle and the back thigh. So everything need to work out the way we they go. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go feel the impact where 7, 8. Now stop. After the count of 1, 2, 3, you go jump to change your leg. 1, 2, jump, go, change. You're gonna cross 1, 2 with your count. 3, 4. After when you don't finish with the other part of your leg, you go make sure say you need to change over to balance the equation of your muscular work range. According to how you man they talk am. Because if you do for one side, we don't do for the other side, you will get what you man they call imbalances of the muscular shape. And at the end of the day, you're not going to like your body the way they exercise. So you need to do one side and you go do the other side. And look at the way, you put the leg. You go see in leg they firm, everything they tight. And the back leg set, the way you put the first one, where they go. Now so the back one set. Then 8, change. 1, 2, 3. My people wait there for there where they follow us go the way they go. You see say if you follow us go the way they go like that, you go to feel sign of sweat. Where they come out from body, and that one really shows say you they do it in, you they exercise. Now the last set of your 8 breaths, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Now you go they jump to change your leg. 1, now so you go. 2, see my hand. 3, like that. 4, follow your count. 5, now so you're gonna go.
6,
as my guests they count.
7,
now so you need to go.
8,
then you go change now, like that. See my hand. 3, 4, fast. 5, 6, 7, then change.
8.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Go. 1, 7, 2. You don't go too high.
4,
you go meet up
5,
the standard height
6,
of your forehead.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Like say you just skip now.
2.
Yes.
3.
Let your hand shake. My people for Obodo, Nigeria, and Obodo, the world.
7.
I really want to thank you this morning for this special time when I don't use with us.
3.
My own name is Papa Jojo. Don't forget seeing our top start time channel 195. Now you the meet up with us. Until tomorrow. Back. Me and my guests tell us say bye bye.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we carry the go.